Here's an example where I saved the company a lot of money. They switched to a new payroll provider, and they were hoping to have an easy way to enter the general ledger entry for the payroll into their ERP system. Well, the new payroll provider said, sure, we can do that for you at a couple $1,000, plus we're going to add $50 to all your future payroll processing fees. So I created them a solution, quick and easy. So this is their export from the payroll provider. All they have to do, copy it, take it over here and paste it right here in the spreadsheet I created for them. And on here, they just go to this sheet, click the Run tab, and just like that, there's their entry that they can print for their records, and go down here. Here's the spreadsheet that they can just copy and upload straight into their ERP system. Just like that. Instead of paying money every time they did payroll for this special report, I did it quick and easy for just one low fee.